I look a mess. I was like, I'm not gonna cook today. 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 Guess I'm cooking it. So here I have marinating are some chicken thighs. I marinated them in some sriracha, some salt, some pepper, some paprika, a little bit of cayenne. I did like an Asian Creole type of seasoning on this, and I'm gonna make this because my kid wants it. So whatever, I'm cooking it for him. Whatever. Anyway, whatever. So I'm making chicken thighs, and I'm gonna make shrimp fried rice. So this is the step that I feel like a lot of people miss, and that is you need to rinse and wash your rice. I rinse it and I wash my rice maybe 10 times until it's clear. I mean, look at that. Who wants to drink that? You can't even see, like, no. Third rinse around here. Okay, third rinse around. You see? No. Clear. Third rinse around here. Okay, third rinse around. You see? No. Clear. Now it's time to cook our rice. It's popping over here. What is going on? Then we got a good brown on our... Ooh. Okay. Whoa, that was hot. Hotter than I expected. Okay. Okay, so I got my chicken all flipped over, and I'm gonna turn it down a little bit, and I'm gonna cover it. Okay, back to our Rice Chronicles. Okay, I already have the heat on high. Already got it popping. Okay, so then I'm gonna transfer my rice over with hot water. I like it to go ahead and start getting kind of hot for me. I put my rice in on a hot pan, no grease, no nothing. All right, and I have my water. So we'll do we're gonna do 3 cups. Normally it would say like double it, but since we rinsed it, we don't need to do it. All right, see through. Anyway, okay, I got my rice. I'm putting it on high, let it come to a boil, then put it on low. It's my chicken. I added a little bit of water to it. What you want? You come to help me in the kitchen? That's okay. Got the rice going. Get that shrimp out of the refrigerator for me so I can, you see that shrimp in that container, that Tupperware container? Okay, that's what I'm going to use to make the shrimp fried rice. Some shrimp that I made. Y'all saw me the other day. If you follow me, you've seen it. But anyway, this is going to be shrimp fried rice. Thank you for your help, sir. You'll help me clean this kitchen too after? Hello? Why are y'all trying to fight that cat? I feed that cat. Leave that cat alone. Yeah. Leave that cat alone. Y'all need to stop it. Y'all need to learn to be nice, okay? Be nice. Eggs. Egg white's best, honey. Also, brown eggs. Organic brown. So here we have our residual juice from our chicken. And I'm a quick cook, baby. I get this done, okay? So when you used to work in the kitchen, you learn how to like not take all day to cook something and it still tastes awesome. So I'm turning the fire up and I'm about to make a gravy. And essentially what we're doing is just basically just cooking the flour. Turn it back up a little high so I can drop in water. Just a little at a time though, because you want it to combine and become a gravy. Little at a time. Just like grandma used to do. Little at a time. And here we have our lovely, lovely, lovely gravy. No cream, no extra butter, no, I don't know, nothing like that. We just got our drippings. We got our yummy, yummy, yummy flavor. We got our cooked off flour. And it's amazing. Okay, and so I'll transfer my chicken back in. Into our yummy gravy here. So everything looks amazing, and you know, we've kind of softened our chicken up a little bit, so I decided that I'm gonna put it underneath the broiler so we can get a nice crispy outside, and then we can have a juicy, tender inside. So our chicken is definitely complete, and look at that rice. Perfection, I told you.